Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly exciting for you, the all-new 2025 Ducati Panigale. This bike is pushing the limits of design and performance, and we're breaking down everything you need to know: exterior, interior experience, performance, and of course the price. Let's dive right in. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Panigale is a true work of art. Ducati has refined its signature aggressive styling with sharper lines and an even sleeker body. This model features new aerodynamic winglets, which aren't just for show, they improve stability at high speeds. The LED headlamps give it a piercing, modern look, while the iconic red paintwork remains a standout on the road. Plus, new color options like Stealth Black and Ducati's Special Edition racing livery add a touch of exclusivity. Now, let's talk about what it's like to be in the rider's seat. Ducati is focused on improving the rider experience with a new 6-inch TFT display that's easy to read. Even in direct sunlight, you get access to all the essential info, from ride modes to navigation and even smartphone integration. The seat has been redesigned with more padding for long rides, and the handlebars have been adjusted for a more ergonomic feel, making it easier to handle whether you're on the track or cruising through city streets. Of course, performance is where the Ducati Panigale shines. Under the fairings, it's powered by a 1.103cc Desmosadashi straddle engine, delivering a staggering 215 horsepower. That means you can expect lightning-fast acceleration and a top speed that'll blow your mind. The updated suspension and lightweight chassis give you a razor-sharp handling experience, perfect for carving through corners. Ducati has also refined its electronic aids, including improved traction control, cornering abs, and wheelie control to keep you safe when you're pushing the limits. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Ducati Panigale starts at around $29,000 for the base model, but if you're eyeing the fully equipped Panigale V4 SP version with all the bells and whistles, you're looking at closer to $40,000. It's a premium price, but for those who want cutting-edge performance and Italian craftsmanship, it's an investment that pays off every time you hit the road. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.